Hi everyone, I was like, I'm making some healthy breakfast, or at least fancy, I should say. So I had zucchini, tomatoes, eggs, and avocado, salt, pepper. Pretty much it, what I used for this recipe to make myself some good breakfast. So I've got zucchini, I grated it on the larger grate, and I'm just gonna season it just a little bit. We don't want it too salty, and just wait for you know for the for it to start watering to remove the extra juiciness. This is not necessary. You can go ahead and throw it into the skillet right away. So yeah, just remove. If you're doing this version, you can remove all the water because we don't need it, and just pat dry. Like I said, you can skip this part and just put it in. Some people just like to salt in it and let the juices out. So with over medium high heat, we're just gonna kind of cook it maybe for a little bit. And with the cherry tomatoes, just put it in like that. Let it just cook its thing. Then make little space for the eggs, and I cracked 2 eggs in between, and I put salt, pepper over, and I just closed it. And over low heat, I'm just gonna let it kind of cover a little bit. As you can see, it has some white over, and that is perfect. That is perfect. That's how I like my eggs done. I like it more on the runny side, of course, but doesn't always turn out the way you want it. And then place it on your plate, and voila, doesn't that look so good? My children were like, I want some. I'm like, yes, I nailed it. They want something. They want to eat healthy. Anyway, like, subscribe, share, comment, all that fun stuff. Till next time.